Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Pusheen dragon, so let's get started. To draw this cute Dragonsheen, let's first start by drawing the top of Pusheen's head. So right here I'm going to start with a soft curve, just right in the center, and then we're going to go up at an angle for her ears. So I'm just going to come angle up, round off the tip right here, and then bring it down. So same thing on this side. Go up. Just drag a point across, approximately how high on the other side, and round off the tip and bring it down. So we're going to start out with that shape, and then from there let's bring this down a little bit more. So just getting wider as we come down. And I'm just going back and forth, so it's a little bit more even. Okay, from there, let's draw in some details in here. So I'm going to start with the stripes right here on the top of the head, and there's 3 of them. So it's like drawing 3 small U's. And 1 right in the center. And then let's come straight down from the center, say about right here. Just give myself a small little point. And from there, I'm going to draw a slight straight line and then curve it out for her mouth. So same thing on the other side. From there, let's come to the side and draw her eyes. So right about here, I'm just going to draw a circle right next to it. And same thing on the other side. So about right here. And I'm going to come inside and give a small little circle for highlight and shade the rest in. And same thing over here. There. Fix my mouth a tiny bit. Okay, so then from there, let's come to the top right here before I forget and draw 2 little horns for Pusheen here. So I'm going to come up. And I'm going to center these horns. So let's give 1 and another one. And come right back down. And if you like, you can come in here for some details. I'm just going to give some curves. So maybe 2 curves on each one. There. Okay, so then from there, let's start to bring Pusheen's body down a little bit more. I'm just going to keep bringing it down. And just get wider and wider. And before I finish the rest of that, let's come back up. And I'm having my Pusheen hold a huge diamond. So I'm going to come right, say about right here, towards the bottom. So I'm just going to imagine the diamonds here. So I'll come about right here and draw the hands. So come right here and draw a curve. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So it's nice and even. And so then let's come to the top of these hands, and I'm just going to draw a line right across. Make it a little bit easier. So this is going to be the start of my diamond. And then from there, I'm going to bring 2 angle lines up. And then connect it with a straight line. And then from right here, I'm going to angle it in towards the center. So just give myself a point, say about right there. And I'm going to angle, imagine it going through and up. There. And so let's draw some details on this diamond. Come towards the edge and draw 2 more angles. And then another long angle all the way down to the tip. From there, let's go ahead and finish Pusheen's body. So I'm going to start to round it off for the bottom part. So it's all up to you how tall you want your Pusheen to be. I'm just going to start to bring this in. And come all the way to the bottom and straighten it out. So now I'm pretty even. I'm going to put 2 little feet right here. So I'm going to skip a little space, just draw this tiny little U, come to the other side so it's nice and even, and draw another little U, and go ahead and finish my bottom here. But if you're using a pencil, definitely draw this curve first and then put in the legs. I mean the feet. Okay, so she has a cute little feet in. Then let's come back up here and make her a dragon with some wings. So I'll say about right here I'm gonna start. Kind of like where the eye ends, kind of about right here. And let's start the first wing. So it's a soft curve up and down. And let's see here. Let's draw the inside of the wing. So I'm going to bring this, taper it in. And then one more. Come down, go up. And last one, taper it in. So then from there, we're going to connect it with a curve. And one more. There. Okay, so now to draw the other one. So I'm just going to drag some points across, just to make it a little bit easier. So I got one right there and approximate. So let's go up now that we have the points on the other side. And I'm going to try my best just to try and mimic the other side. I'm just going to drag this highest point across. So I know approximately how high to go. And I'm going to start to bring it down, just like the other side. And you can always drag a point across if you like. Make it a little bit more even. But right there. Okay, so then once again, I'm going to start to draw the points. I'm going to go up. And then one more. About right here. Go up. And one more. About right there. And then we're just going to add the curves inside again. 1 and 2. There, so we have the wings in. Now let's draw the whiskers. Now that we have the wings in, let's come right where the eye is. So say about right here. I'm going to draw 2 whiskers. So a curve and a curve. So I want to draw the wings first so these don't get in the way. And so same thing on the other side. 1 and 2. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's, oh, before I forget, this is a Dragonsheen, right? So if you like, you can add 2 little, I'm just gonna add 2 little teeth right here to makes it extra more dragonish. There. And then let's draw her tail. So let's come right here. I'm gonna taper this curve coming out. So let's bring this out, right there. And then this area, getting thinner. And then let's draw the point. So I'm going to curve and come back. So we have the dragon's tail in. And then that is pretty much it for the Pusheen part of the drawing. Now let's put Pusheen on a mound of jewels and gold. So I'm going to come right here and draw a curve. And same thing here. I'm just gonna draw a little mound right here. And let's see. Okay, so then let's come here and I'm gonna draw my first coin just to break it up. So it's just a very simplified coin. Just an oval. And one more here. You can go all out and decorate as much as you like. And let's see here, let's finish this part off. Add a little line and bring it in. Then about right here, I'm going to draw a diamond. So it's kind of like the original drawing. So 2 angles, connected, and right in the center, I'm going to connect it with an angle. And the details right here, the lines, just like the top diamond. And then let's bring this line right across all the way. And about right here, we're going to draw 2 more coins. And one more, going the other way. And just finish off and connect. And then let's make this mound look like jewels. And make this a little bit rounder. Okay, so then let's come in here and we're going to draw a little curve, two curves, and inside let's stick out a little crystal. So two little angles, and then right here's a curve and the lines very thinly to make it look like crystal. And decided to put maybe like a little ring here if you like. Actually, it's actually a big ring, right? So two curves and the diamond on top. Very lightly. All these little details if you like. And here and there you can add a little curve. So just a little extra tip if you want to add some sparkle to your jewels when you're coloring. Just next to the jewels, just draw this little sparkle shape. So it's just two curves and leave it white. And I don't want to do that right now with a Sharpie because it would be too dark and it would muddle it up. But just draw this little shape right here next to the jewels to add some sparkle to your drawing. So there, hope you love how this Dragonsheen turned out and it inspires you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.